Welcome back to Legacy News, where we'll hook you up with some of the currently acquired news about stocks, trading, and other business-related factions. In today's video, we'll be handling Cathie Wood's talk about the sector. If you want more videos from us, drop a like, clap on that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. And with that, you'll never miss any of our future uploads. Going back, in this video, we'll be disclosing information about the digital market. We will even introduce to you all the so-called artificial intelligence alias AI. Stay tuned, as we will also be including its grossing value in the current events. Feel free to start writing down vital information. Are you ready? Let's begin. CEO of Ark Invest, Cathie Wood, just unhanded a jawbreaker for what is supposed to establish as the most significant industry in all life. It's neither EVs nor solar. It's literally something that holds more responsibility. The industrial prices here reduce 68% yearly. Cathie is talking about how none can come close in this industry. This video shall dig deeper on what this sector is all about and why Cathie is so optimistic, and how investors can benefit with an income from it. Ark Invest absolutely targets 5 distinct innovation methods. They consist of energy storage, artificial intelligence, robotics, genome sequencing, and the blockchain. Take your time and guess which of the given will increase to over 1,000 times in value for the next 10 years. The program that I'm tackling about is artificial intelligence. AI seems like a camber. However, the industry is about to supply a colossal value to the society. The information that I'm about to display will take your breath away. Leading back from 1960 to 2010, computation speed has enlarged to 2 times every 2 years. Over the previous decennium, the route has completely transmuted. Computing times now accelerate at a swooshing 10 times yearly. At this rate, it soon will top to 100 times faster than the concurring speed in the upcoming decade. The reason why this is a complete unorthodox is their way in authorizing AI to ameliorate at fast and slow tempo. Like this, the total take to allocate 1 billion images has dipped from $10,000 last 2017 to now just 3 quid. That strain of disdain remains unmatched. As AI training fetch lowers over time, it will be competent to compute more impenetrable tasks. As per Stanford's deep learning, AI is observed to have been boosted by 16 times in regarding its power over the previous 3 years. This kind of refinement will become discernible to almost each sector, comprising of energy storage, autonomous driving, genome sequencing, healthcare, supply chain management, virtual assistants, blockchain, and many more. This will develop a noteworthy impact on the economy by deflation over the long run. Ark Invest originally protruded that AI would generate an amount of $30 trillion worth of market value within the millennium. Nonetheless, the establishment marked their average to $80 trillion recently. Indeed, 80 trillion, a fundamental enhancement from the ongoing market of just tens of billions. How did Ark manage to instigate this prediction, and why is there a sudden lift by such an enormous frame? The focal reason on why the gigantic increase is about AI being useful in virtually countless of sectors. Take The Verge Genomics, a company. They recently unleashed a learning machine exclusively for drug development. Big guys like Microsoft have been working on an AI mold on the blockchain system, so people are enabled to facilitate blockchain data to create their own version of AI. Above all, the competition to complete self-driving has flown up to a great extent. Tesla's autopilot technology continues to improve momentarily with new stabilizations and in the near future will be available. Waymo has been dedicating their time and effort to roll out their LiDAR-generated auto-driving cars. With a great AI training budget, it's nothing new that autopilot in driving will be accomplished during the next 5 following years. One of the largest market values globally would be transportation, and automotive strive to grow the market even more by deducing the transport fee and continues to serve convenience. Now that we're introduced to what it is, AI will seek disruption. You might be thinking, how are investors planning and capitalizing with this proceeding mania? The first method will catch you off guard as they will invest in mainstream pharmaceuticals and biotech. Wood invests in companies that grow rapidly and provide surcharge value also for immersion in the long run. Contradicting to that investment scheme, huge pharma and biotech companies offer an extraordinary chance to grab positive potential with barely a few to no negativity. Pfizer is one which swaps at an 18 PE ratio and a 10 forward data. The stock also proffers a capitulate of 3.6%, and those characteristics are what investor with a value is hunting down. If you enjoy similar topics as to what you're watching now, leave a like and subscribe for more of these informational clips. As we wrap up, I would like to do a quick recap. Today, we talked about how Cathie Wood shook the market with what she can say towards the sector and what rotates within. It also showed how artificial intelligence is step by step ruling the world. Thank you for tuning in to Legacy News. I hope you learned something new from what we've discussed today. We'd gladly appreciate it if you extend your support to us by liking this video and by leaving a comment on what you think about today's topic. If you want to see more from us, you can hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay on top with our content. Once again, this is Legacy News. We'll see you next time.